Hey guys, welcome to 46431 Santiam Highway. This is a brand new 2023 custom built home. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. 3 beds, 2 baths, just over 1,800 square feet, and this beautiful wood finished kitchen. This primary suite is spacious, comfortable, and I mean, hey, just look at me. Backed up to 9.3 acres of some of the best fishing on the South Santiam. It's nothing but bliss out here. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this house with me. If you'd like some more information or to see it yourself, get a hold of me here.